We have two systems pretty close to each other, and they are bringing very dangerous beach conditions to the southeast coast. I'll go over their current impacts and what we can expect from these systems throughout the next few days as these systems continue their lifespan in this video. ACBF cyclone Monday, September 29th, 2025, starting with Hurricane Umberto, currently has 140 mile an hour sustained winds. Earlier today, it was a bare minimum Category 4, then it went to 145 after the hurricane hunters flew into it when it was forecasted to weaken, and the pressure didn't change too much, so the National Hurricane Center may have underestimated it. But we will find out if they did once they do the post-analysis on this system, which they should do within the next few months. After every system, the National Hurricane Center does a post-analysis to fix any intensity changes that were wrong previously, and then any pressure as well. Tropical storm Imelda currently has 65 mile an hour sustained winds and should reach hurricane intensity by tonight or tomorrow morning. The hurricane hunters are in the system right now. They are flying to it to find some valuable information on the intensity of the system and how strong the system could get. Currently, the National Hurricane Center is forecasting it reaches 100 miles an hour, which is a Category 2 hurricane. It is forecast to move toward Bermuda over the next few days. Bermuda is under a hurricane watch. Previously, they were under a tropical storm watch for Umberto. Now it's a hurricane watch because of Imelda. So a totally different system. But they could still experience tropical storm force winds from Umberto. And then also just today, I did collect a rain sample from Imelda. It's raining where I am right now. It's raining through the Carolinas. Both of these systems combined are bringing very dangerous beach conditions to the southeast coast, extremely dangerous rip currents, beach erosion, and even coastal flooding. So these are very dangerous, even though they're pretty far offshore. Imelda isn't too far offshore. Also, I forgot to tell you, my friend gave me a sample from Hurricane Milton earlier this month. I don't know if you can read that, but it says Cat 3 Hurricane Milton 2024. His grandparents live down in Florida. So I am starting to collect rain samples from storms. I started doing that in July. And the first one I was expecting to collect was Chantal. However, Chantal did not rain where I am. We just missed the rain. But I will show you the forecast models for these systems, starting with Umberto and Imelda. Umberto is starting to pull Imelda out to sea. Imelda should begin its turn tomorrow. And then a couple models are showing this making a direct landfall in Bermuda. I wouldn't be totally surprised. The European forecast model shows it making a landfall as a high-end Category 1, maybe a low-end Category 2. The European AI forecast models have become really accurate lately, especially the Google AI model. They've been really accurate with Imelda so far. The European AI model shows it hitting as a Category 1 as well, maybe a direct landfall, though since Bermuda is so small, chances of a direct landfall are relatively low. The GFS model shows Imelda coming through Bermuda as a Category 2 hurricane, maybe a mid-range Category 2 hurricane. It says 970 pressure, which is about a Category 2 hurricane. The Icon model is showing this system making its way through Bermuda, maybe as a Category 3 major hurricane. 960s is high-end Category 2, low-end Category 3. Category 3 is major status. Also, just in the Gulf, a couple models have been hinting at some development. There is currently a spin in the Gulf at the moment. This little spin right here, some forecast models have been hinting at some development. The National Hurricane Center is not tracking it quite yet. I wouldn't be totally surprised to see a disturbance by the 8 p.m. advisory. But we could see some slight development out of this, maybe a tropical depression or even a tropical storm. The next name on the list is Jerry, the J-name storm. So we'll see if that happens, but the GFS model is showing a couple more systems, but also I'm not sure if that's totally going to happen. They show another system developing in the main development region around the middle of October. So I'll be monitoring all of this for you guys. The hurricane hunters at the moment are heading toward Imelda at the moment. This website might take a while to load, so it could take a little bit. But this is a very useful website when it comes to finding intensities of storms. So they've been, I was checking it before I recorded, they've been collecting 120 mile an hour winds, which is a Category 3 hurricane, mid-range Category 3, almost high end. So I wouldn't be surprised if at the 8 p.m. advisory or something like that, it gets downgraded to a Cat 3. For Imelda, the hurricane hunters are picking up 65 mile an hour winds, which is what Imelda's at right now. And then they will continue to fly through the system. And they could even collect some hurricane force winds. So I'll be monitoring all this for you guys to keep you safe. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and see ya.